You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of the latest, at the moment, SUV from Lotus or Lotus? It means coming to life from Hungarian, in Hungarian. I'm not sure why they chose an Hungarian name, but Eletre is how it's said. So you remove the C of what you would say as Electra, okay, Electra. But I think that's a name of a Buick model, so they didn't want to use that. So they call it Eletre, Eletre. The stress on the second syllable. Lotus Eletre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.